Yung baby ko. Kamusta?
Wala pa yung mga results, anak. Magpahinga ka muna.
Zoe, relax. We're here for you. And you have to rest. For you. And for your baby.
Sige, anak, higa ka muna.
Scarlett, Doc, yung resulta ng ultrasound ni Doc Zoe.
Thank you.
Doc, anong sabi?
Yung baby ni Zoe. Dad. Kamusta yung baby ko? Dad, kamusta yung baby ko?
I'm sorry, Zoe, pero wala na yung baby.
Madam, nasa na yung klinik ko? You promised me na bibigyan mo ako ng clinic dyan sa Apex. In fact, sa pag-ikot-ikot ko, I found the perfect spot for me.
Dr. Cifra, the deal is off. You can now stop pretending that you are the father of a child of Zoe. And you don't have to marry her.
But I already claim to be the father. Inausapan natin, di ba?
Dr. Cifra, alam na ng lahat that you are not the father of the child of Zoe. So kung ano man yung pinag-usapan natin noon, it's pointless by now.
Wow! So gano'n na lang yun?
Oui. You're out of the picture. Wala ka ng papel. The deal is off. Kaya huwag mo na akong tawagan.
Madam, ba't parang ang init po ng ulo niyo?
Si Dr. Cifra yun. Nakakainit ng ulo.
Pero madam, may good news po ako para lumamig naman po ulo niyo.
Ano yun?
Narinig ko lang to kanina nung magkausap si Annalyn at si Nurse Karen. Wala na po yung baby ni Zoe.
Oh my God. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. But that's good news. Finally, we managed to eliminate the problem.
Pero madam, kawawa naman po si Zoe.
Malalampasan din niya yun. Ang importante, magagalit siya kay Annalyn at tuluyan na silang magkaaway na dalawa.
Ano to? Hindi totoo to. Hindi totoo to. Alam mo ikaw? Ikaw may pakanan yan, no? Hindi totoo yan. I want my OB. Gusto kong marinig sa kanya. Hindi totoo yan.
Zoe, I'm sorry, but I'm afraid it's true.
Dad, huwag ka magpapaniwala kay Annalyn. Gawa-gawa niya lang yan. Hindi totoo yan. Buhay yung baby ko. Hindi totoo yan.
Zoe, this is not the end. You're still young. When you find the man that's meant for you, then you can have children. You can start your own family.
Hindi totoo yan! Hindi totoo yan! Buhay yung baby ko! Buhay yung baby ko! Hindi totoo yan! Hindi totoo yan! Hindi totoo yan! Hindi totoo yan! Buhay siya! Buhay siya! Buhay yung baby ko! Sabihin mo buhay! Hindi totoo yan! Yung baby ko! Yung baby ko! Yung baby! Baby!